How to archive or unarchive WhatsApp chats on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, archiving or unarchiving messages on WhatsApp is basically like hiding and unhiding them. It's really simple. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp and then you just need to long press on the message that you want to archive and swipe to the left, and you can see archive option right there. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will be archived. Now you can see archive option right at the top. You can just tap on it, and now to unarchive it, do the same. Press and hold and swipe to the left and tap on unarchive. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.